Hello, good afternoon, students. Today we will learn the new poem. Poem number 14. I'd like to be a lighthouse. See, here is a I would. So it is pronounced as a I'd. Okay? And it actually pronounced as I'd. Means I would like to be a lighthouse. So it is a nice poem. A lighthouse is a tower, building, or tall structure on the seashore. It is a tall building on the seashore. So what is the use of lighthouse? Okay, when the आपके घर के जब लाइट जाती, so what will you use? Torch. Okay, and what will the torch provide us? A light, a emergency light, or a flash for darkness. Okay, reducing the darkness. The same use here will be the lighthouse. It is a tall building, big beams or flash. See, its beams are long and flashes are thrown out, so we can see from long distance. These beams help us to see the navigate. The navigate means to find their ways across the sea. Where ship is coming from here or many direction, they can see the flashes and so they can find their directions or navigate themselves. They can tell their ships there is a port nearby. Port means we have learned the lesson Sindbad. So here is the port, meaning means where the ships are staying. It is the step to go near or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea. Is it safe to go near the port that there are dangerous rocks under the sea, etc.? In days of old, modern means of communications like radio. See, before the radio, mobile phones or internet, there is the no path for ships. So lighthouse is the very useful for the ships in darkness or at night. Now we are using the mobile phone for navigate and their internet. So the warning signals of lighthouse were very useful to ships. They are give the signals that there is a main not safe for the ship. So they guided the ships. Today age of the radio, TV, internet, satellite services, many other facilities are available on ships. Now you can see the ships or cargo. With the use of TV, internet, satellite facility provided by them, or you can use also the cruise. There are facilities for the people and the ships and aeroplanes too. Now the internet also available in aeroplane too. When they travel across the country, what is the use of internet? When the sea or aeroplane travel across the sea, they are using the navigation by the help of the internet. Okay, so it is the uh, use of lighthouse. So we will learn the poem A Lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. So white house is the painting with white. I would like to be a lighthouse and stay away all the night. What is the use of lighthouse? It is all stay away all the night. He could not sleep. Okay, he give direction by their flashes and give guided through the ship. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. So what is he doing? His eyes means his flashes on everything that sails my patch of sea. So sea or shipper could see the flashes and travel across the sea. Here, many direction they have. I would like to be a lighthouse with all ships are watching me. Why are I would like to become a lighthouse? Because all ships are watching me from many directions and they gave my path or my directions. Okay, so you have to write the poem 3 times in your notebook and also write the new words. Okay, and later on I will send the question answers to you. Okay, bye bye, take care.